Welcome students. Hello students. Let us prove the important theorem in the similarity, that is the theorem of areas of similar triangles. Now previously we learned the properties of the triangles. Now in that properties of the triangles, if two triangles are given to you, then the ratio of these two triangles or ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to ratio of their product of base and height. Now this is the one of the property of the triangles. But here we are given that two triangles, but these two triangles are not any two triangles. These two triangles are similar triangles. Now read the theorem first. When two triangles are similar, then the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Now this is the relation between the ratio of areas of the two triangles with the ratio of the corresponding sides. Now this relation will be proved in this theorem. Now how we will prove this theorem? We are given the two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle PQR. We are given that these two triangles are similar. Now all of you know that when the two triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles are congruent and the corresponding sides are in proportion. These two statements are very important when we say that the triangles are similar. Yes, now let us start to write the proof of this theorem. Now first we write given. We are given here when two triangles are similar, means the triangles are similar, then we write here two triangles. We take here ABC and PQR, means write here triangle ABC similar with triangle PQR. This is given to you. And again we draw here one of the height, that is AD is perpendicular to BC and PS is perpendicular to QR. Now again write this statement, AD is perpendicular to BC and PS is perpendicular to QR. Now this is our given. Now after reading this theorem, what we have to prove? We have to write here to prove. We prove that the relation between the ratios of the areas of the similar triangle. Now these two triangles are similar, means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, means this is the ratio of areas of the two similar triangles. The triangles are similar which we are given here. ABC is ratio of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to ratio of these areas of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Now which are the corresponding side? If we make the one-to-one correspondence, that is ABC to PQR, then AB side, corresponding side of AB is PQ. And in that theorem we are given that this corresponding side, that is AB square upon PQ square, this ratio is equal to area of the ratio of the areas of the two similar triangles. Or again we take the another side, BC, corresponding side of BC is QR, or this ratio is equal to BC square upon QR square. Or again the third ratio or third side we take AC square upon PR square. Now areas of the two similar triangles is equal to ratio of the square of the corresponding sides. Yes, and that's why to prove this theorem we have to write here proof. First we are given that the triangles are similar, and we know that two statements for the similar triangles. When the triangles are similar, the angles are in proportion, angles are congruent, and the sides are in proportion. Now write here, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In this triangle, what we are given? We are given that the triangles are similar, and that's we write here triangle ABC similar with triangle PQR. This is given to you. This is the given statement. And when the triangles are similar, then what happens? The corresponding angles are congruent. Angle B, we take only one letter, that is angle B is congruent with angle Q, or we can say that angle A is congruent with angle P. Angle A means BAC, this angle we consider here. Angle P means QPR, yes, and the third angle is again congruent because the triangles are similar. Angle C is congruent with angle R, means all these three angles are congruent. This is the statement number 1. Now when the angles are congruent and the sides are in proportion, now write the proportion of the sides because the triangles are similar. AB upon PQ, this side or this ratio is equal to BC upon QR and is equal to AC upon PR. Now these are two statements we write here because the triangles are similar. Now these two statements are very important. Now suppose we consider that these triangles are not similar, and when we observe that the triangles are not similar, can we write the ratio of the areas of these two triangles? Yes, we can write the ratios of areas of these two triangles. Don't know that these triangles are similar or not. Then we write the ratio of areas of these two triangles. Now write here area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. By the property of the triangles, any two triangles, this is the ratio of areas of any two triangles is equal to ratio of the product of corresponding base and height. For this triangle, BC is the base and AD is the height. For this triangle, QR is the base and PS is the height, and that's why we write here product of base and height of triangle ABC, that is BC into AD upon QR into PS. This ratio can we write like this: BC upon QR into AD upon PS. Now this is the statement number 3. Now these two triangles are not similar, then we write the ratio of the areas of these two triangles. Now take the two triangles in that figure and show them congruent. Take the two triangles like this. First triangle is ABD. If we take this triangle, and another triangle is APQS. This is the another triangle. Now take these two triangles and show them similar. These are the third statements we write here. Again take the two triangles. Now in triangle ABD and triangle PQS, in these two triangles, what happens? Angle B is congruent with angle Q. Why? Because the triangles are similar, we know, and that's why we write here the statement angle B is congruent with angle Q. Then write the first statement, that is angle ABD is congruent with angle AQS. Why? Because from statement 1, angle B means ABD or ABC, means angle ABD is congruent with AQS. Second statement, AD is perpendicular to BC, we are given here, and that's why this angle is 90 degree and this angle is also 90 degree. Means right here angle ADB congruent with angle PSQ. Why? Because each of 90 degree are given. The reason is that each of 90 degree are given. From these two statements, these two triangles are similar by the AA similarity test, and hence right here triangle ABD is similar with triangle PQS by AA similarity test. Now we know that when the triangles are similar, then the sides of that similar triangles are in proportion. Then write the proportion of these sides of that triangle. Then write here AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QS and is equal to AD upon PS. Now this is the statement number 4. Now from equation 2 and 4 we write here, if you observe the equation 2 and 4, then what happens? AB upon PQ, here is also AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ is equal to these two ratios, means all these 6 ratios or 3 ratios, 5 ratios are equal. AB upon PQ, we write here AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR is equal to AD upon PS and again is equal to BD upon QS. All these ratios are now equal. Now take the equation 3. From this equation 3 we write here area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, we write here BC upon QR. BC upon QR. Now instead of AD upon BC we can place BC upon QR again. We write here BC upon QR, and then if you multiply this, BC square upon QR square, means the ratio of the areas of these two similar triangles is equal to ratio of the square of the corresponding sides. Or in this statement, if you replace BC upon QR with AB upon PQ and again AD upon PS, this AD upon PS into the ratio AB upon PQ, again we will get AB square upon PQ square. Now in this way we will get this equation, that is AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. Now when the two triangles are similar, then the ratio of these two similar triangles is equal to ratio of the square of the corresponding sides. Now this is the theorem of areas of two similar triangles.